So for example here, okay, if I say that hydrogen, okay, hydrogen, as you know, it's an atom, correct? All of you believe hydrogen is an atom, correct? Hydrogen, let's suppose the symbol of hydrogen is like this. We represent like this, and this is a spelling name, correct? Hydrogen, if I say have one proton, okay? If I say one proton, then automatically, according to the rule that number of proton is equal to number of electron, you would say that hydrogen have one electron. Okay? Make sense? So the way, if I say you to draw the picture of hydrogen atom, you're gonna simply say you will draw like this, okay, and you will make a nucleus in the middle. You will just put one proton here and over here, okay. So this is, let's suppose, okay, no. Let me draw in a nice way, okay. So first of all, what you're gonna do, that you will draw a nucleus in the middle, okay, and you will just make one proton and represent with positive like that, okay. And then you will just make one shell. Why one shell? Because it's just one electron. So you can just represent like this. And we know that the first shell can handle at least two. So this is a small structure of hydrogen. Let me give you another example where the thing's gonna go different. Here, for example, hydrogen, as you have heard a lot about hydrogen, in the same way you might have heard about this one. You might have heard about, let's suppose, oxygen. Oxygen is an atom, correct? Oxygen, and we represent oxygen with O. Let's suppose if I say that oxygen have 6 protons, okay? Then automatically you're gonna say, okay, 6 proton, according to rule, number of proton is equal to number of electron. You're gonna say that 6 protons, this means 6 electrons are there. Okay, now if I ask you, so this is O, okay, this is O, the way we represent oxygen. So 6 electrons, 6 protons. Now the way you're going to draw the structure, let me draw it here in front of you. You will draw its nucleus first, okay, so this is nucleus, small nucleus, and you will draw 6 protons, or you can just represent like this, 6 protons. This means there are 6 protons, 6 positive charges inside it, okay. Okay, now then how many shells you have to draw? We have 6 electrons. First of all, draw first shell. Okay, so this is your first shell. How many electrons first shell can handle? You're gonna say 2 electrons, okay, so just draw 2 electrons like this. Okay, so we have to draw all of 6 electrons. Okay, 2 are gone, 6 minus 2. How many are left? Okay, 4. 4 are left. These 4, okay, can you enter these 4 in the first shell? No, because this guy is very strict. He can only handle 2 electrons. So you will make another shell. This shell can handle 8 electrons. We know second shell can handle 8 electrons. You can see. So there are 4 left. Okay, so just draw 4 here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now this is a structure of oxygen. So can you see a huge difference between a structure of oxygen and structure of structure of hydrogen and structure of oxygen? Okay, so this is the way you represent. Okay, so there are a few things which we have talked about. We have talked about that different shells can handle different number of electrons, and then we talk about a general rule that number of protons is equal to number of electrons in an atom. Any questions so far?